Hello HSC professionals, greetings of the day. So today in this video we are going to discuss about entry into confined space. Incidents arising from entry into confined space are distinct because they result from a deliberate and conscious act. So the decision to enter the confined space itself. In situations involving confined spaces, the location of potential accidents can be anticipated, as well as the individuals most likely to be affected. Such work is often non routine, which usually leads to increased focus on safety precautions. As a result, it is possible to foresee and mitigate the probable causes of accidents, making such incidents avoidable with proper preparation. The severity of accidents in confined spaces is often high, with a strong likelihood of fatal consequences. Therefore, establishing safe working procedures is crucial. So, we will see some of the legal requirement as well as the safe precautions need to be ensured in the confined space entry. These procedures must not only be developed but strictly enforced to be effective. So let's see the legal requirements. In India, the Factory Act 1948, specifically sections 36 and 36A, outlines the necessary precaution for work in confined space. Rule 68 of under section 36 mandate the minimum dimension of manholes should be sufficient for a person to enter. Here, the Rule 68 of Maharashtra State Factory Rules. This includes a length equal to the shoulder width of the individual plus 8 centimeter and a width of at least 30 centimeter for rectangular or oval manholes. For circular manholes, the diameter should be the shoulder width plus 8 centimeter. So electrical equipment used should have a voltage not exceeding 24 volts in confined space, unless flame-proof lighting or appliances are used in environment with flammable fumes or gases. Dangerous fumes in the confined space must be removed and measures must be in place to prevent their re-entry into the confined space. A written certificate verifying that the space is free from dangerous fumes must be issued. Alternatively, workers must wear a suitable breathing apparatus and safety belt with a lifeline. Breathing apparatus, receiving equipment, belts, and ropes should always be available for immediate use. The confined space must be adequately cooled to ensure it is safe for entry. Now let's see some safe entry systems to be followed in confined space entry. The first one is isolation of the vessel. Closing valves alone may not be sufficient. To properly isolate the vessel, disconnecting or blanketing of the inlet and outlet pipe is necessary. This should also apply to chute, dump valves, and any moving parts like agitators or cutters. In such cases, removing fuses or locking isolator switches in the off position is a safer method. In cleaning the vessel, the contents of the vessel, including sludge, should be fully cleared. High pressure water hoses, followed by steaming, are common practices. However, neutralizing chemicals should be handled with care, as they could react violently. If steaming is performed, ensure the vessel is sufficiently cooled afterward. Then ventilation of the vessel. Proper ventilation is essential to eliminate dangerous fumes and prevent oxygen deficient atmospheres. Methods such as exhaust fans or compressed air hoses are often used. Ventilation should not be limited to the pre entry phase, it must continue throughout the entire operation. Then, inspection and testing. So, prior to entry, thorough testing for dangerous gases, explosion risk, and oxygen levels is required. Be cautious when opening joints to insert planks, as escaping gases could pose a threat to the person opening the joints in the planks. The history of the tank or space is also vital. Knowing what substances were previously stored can help mitigate risk. Continuous pressure supply is preferable over single time gas testing. Then issuance of certificates. A certificate should be tailored to the specific requirement of the factory. Different types of permits may be needed depending on the job, such as hot work permit, tank entry permit, or special hazard permit. These permits should be distinguishable by color, and clear procedure should be established for requesting, preparing, and issuing work permit. Work permits acts as an effective communication to ensure safety in confined space entry. Then the last one is rescue preparedness. Despite all the precautions taken, a rescue plan must be in place in case of an accident. The personnel assigned to this task must be physically fit, capable of rescuing an injured worker, and trained in rescue operations and post aid and the use of breathing apparatus. So, HSC professionals, I hope you got some critical information on the confined space entry, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and subscribe and follow HSC Insider and support HSC Insider. Thank you.